Hi, I'm Ruchika, and today I'm going to walk you through how we do live migrations on a Red Hat OpenStack 8 platform. So before we get started, I just want to share a little information about my environment. This is a very simple deployment. It's got 3 controller nodes, 2 compute nodes. There's a simple network topology set up with a public network, an internal router, an internal network, and there's one instance running. I'll show you my compute nodes and how they look like. So as you can see, there's 2 hypervisors, one for the compute nodes, and we're going to walk through live migrating this one instance that's running on overcloud compute 1, overcloud compute 0 to overcloud compute 1. Before we do that, so first of all, I wanted to stress how easy it is in Red Hat OpenStack 8 platform. This wasn't a feature in OpenStack 7. And before we do that, I'll refer to some of the public documentation that's on this topic. The first thing we need to do before we attempt any migration is to set up the SSH keys on the compute nodes. This allows the compute nodes to actually SSH from one node to the other as it attempts the live migration. So if you can just follow a couple of steps in this section 8.9 from the Red Hat OpenStack director install to be awesome. One thing that should be noted here is that of these commands need to be run with sudo. And in step 1 on this page, when you copy over the SSH key, make sure you copy over both the public and the private key to every compute node. Alright, so let's get back to migrating this one instance from compute 0 to 1. So the first thing you need to do is go into this hypervisor section under admin. You'll see your 2 hypervisors listed. Go to compute host. And since the instance is running on compute 0, what we're going to do is disable the service so that no other new instances get spun up on this compute node. So let's disable this. Now that it's disabled, let's just migrate host. And that's it. Let's just wait for it to finish. You can also use a CLI on one of the compute nodes to monitor status. There it goes. So as you can see, the one instance that was running on compute host 0 moves over to compute host 1. So now we go back and this service which is disabled, we go back and enable it. Again, I want to repeat, this is done using Red Hat OpenStack installer director in a very simple OpenStack deployment with 3 controllers, 2 computes attached to an external pre-configured Ceph cluster. And I wanted to highlight the live migration feature available in OpenStack, Red Hat OpenStack 8. Thank you.